everyone, welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to add a team member to your Vencru account. First, scroll down on the home page to the Invite Team Member tab. Then select Add New Member. On the Team Members and Permissions page, click on the Invite Team Members button. Now, fill in the details of your team member. On Vencru, we have 4 permission groups with varying levels of access to the features of your account. Browse through each permission group and then select the permission group that best suits this team member. Having done that, select Invite Team Member. An invitation is sent to the team member's email address where they can accept their invitation and become active. Team members can be found under Settings, listed under Team Members. And that's how to add a team member on your Vencru account.